Hey everybody, I'm just going to show you how to change the custom symbols on a Samsung Galaxy keyboard on a mobile phone in case you need to get things like the pound symbol or the dollar symbol or something different to what's already given on their keyboard. For example, if you're setting up a password on a website and you need a different symbol to what they're showing. I've just had the nightmare because I use a VPN, a virtual private network, on my Windows computer. eBay keep thinking someone else is trying to log in to my account, even though they ask me that, you know, they ask you your own personal questions like what was your first car and what was the first model of your car. They seem to think somebody else is trying to log in because every time I use my computer I've got a different IP address. Anyway, so to show you what to do, what you need to do, obviously unlock your mobile phone if you use a password to open it, get to your home screen and then swipe across through the screens, get to settings. So you're going to tap on settings. Just a second, I need my other hand to do this. Okay, then the next step is go to general management. There you go, there's general management, click on that. Sorry, my hand's in the way. General management, tap on that. Next you're going to hit language and input, or touch language and input. And you should see the next screen. Go to the on-screen keyboard, click on that. And then you want to go to the Samsung keyboard, click on that. Okay, you should be on this screen now. Then go to keyboard layout and feedback, touch that. Okay, it should be on this screen now. Then go to custom symbols, touch that. It should be on this screen now. And then, as they say, tap the symbol you want to change and then replace it by tapping a new symbol on the keyboard. So you would touch one of these symbols. So let's say I didn't want whatever that Y thing is. I mean, we don't use that in England. Why do I have to make these? So look at the size of the symbol compared to my finger. It's ridiculous. You have to be so precise to get these right. It's far too small, Samsung. Look at the size of people's fingers. Look at the size of that. They need to be 10 times bigger anyway. And touch that Y thing. So let's say I'd want to replace that symbol there. I don't want the Y. So then I look at the choice of things I could switch it with, which are given to you down here. Well, there's none that are any use to me really, but seeing as I've removed the dollar symbol previously, I might as well switch it with the dollar symbol. I might as well get that back. I might occasionally use a dollar symbol if I'm writing about American money or something on a website. So, and you see how that's changed? I've now got the dollar symbol up there now. Okay, so that is the change made. Now don't make the mistake I've done before, then thinking I need to press reset to kind of set that. Don't press reset. If you reset, that'll just flip back to what you already had. That is apparently done. That needs to be better explained by Samsung. They should have a warning there. Do not click reset. Okay, so that now in theory, well, not in theory, that is done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get out of all these pages. Let me use the back button. Let's get out of that. Right, then I'm back to my home screen. Let's go back to the very first screen. So I've got Google there. If I touch that, shut up, I don't want to use voice. Touch that. Then we'll do a search. Let's search for a hot topic at the moment, which is Brexit. Now here's the keyboard. Okay, and let's click on the symbols button down the bottom left, the one with the hashtag. Click on that, and there's the list of symbols I've got. And as you can see, I've still got that Y symbol. So that didn't work, you stupid bastard Samsung phone. So I'm going to try and do that again. Okay. And I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to show you what did work, what didn't work. Why that didn't work, I don't know. So I'm going to try that again, just to show you. Okay, so what do we need to do is get out of that. Get out of that. Come on. Right, I want to go to settings. General management. You should be on the general management screen now. Language and input. You should now be on the language and input screen. Okay. Go to the on-screen keyboard. You should now be on the on-screen keyboard page. Okay. Go to Samsung keyboard. You should now be on the Samsung keyboard page. Okay, go to keyboard layout and feedback, touch that. You should now be on keyboard layout and feedback page. Click on custom symbols. Okay, you should now be on the custom symbols page. Now, quite why that didn't work last time, I do not know. You see, now this time it's showing me that I've already got these symbols. It's showing me that I've got the dollar symbol and the euro symbol and the pound symbol. Is there any of those that I want to change? I don't use the euro symbol, so let's try and change that. So there are only instructions say tap the symbol you want to change. They don't say tap the symbol you want to change above, which is confusing. Again, they need to plan these detailed steps out better. Tap the symbol you want to change. Do they mean tap there or tap there? Tap the symbol you want to change. I believe it means that bit up there. So I don't want a euro symbol, so I'll click on that. Okay. And then replace it by tapping a new symbol on the keyboard. So I can now switch. I'm going to try and switch the euro symbol for one of the symbols that are in black. All the ones that are in dull grey you can't switch. So what shall I switch to? Well, I do use the and symbol, so surely I would need that. So let's do the and symbol. Right, and there you see now the euro symbol is switched to the and symbol. Okay. Now last time I said do not touch reset, and I don't believe you do need to. Let's just see what happens if I do click reset. If you click reset, I've now got the and symbol up there, but the euro symbol is showing down there. Oh my god, I'm confused myself. How can they possibly not explain this very well? Right, anyway, I'm going to get rid of all that. Let's close all that crap. Go back to the home screen of your phone. Go to Google. Again, let's test what we've got. So I've got the normal symbols there. I've got the QWERTY keyboard with numbers. Symbol down the bottom gives me this selection of keys to use. I've got the pound symbol, which is what I want. Euro symbol is there. Dollar symbol is there. So I've got the keys I want. That is how to make the change. I hope that's explained it to you. I'm sorry that Samsung don't provide a better explanation themselves, but that's how to make a custom symbol change on a Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.